How would you like to have the most incredible fireworks shows in your very own yard? You probably think it might cost a small fortune, right? Well, you're not even close. The main reason why most people don't have that big time, pro style, display action coming from their yards during all of your favorite holidays and parties. That's easy. It's not just what you are buying, it has more to do with who and where you are getting your supplies from. Instead of going to some tent, off the side of some road, or at some kind of quote unquote fireworks store, where everything is presented to make you feel like you are getting more for less, or even free. You've seen the signs and catalogs with the big sunbursts around words like 50% more for free, and buy one get one, or two or three, all of the talk of free. Yeah, right, you get it. They will come right out and say that the party is at their place. Oh, it surely will be, and paid for in part with your cash. The party should be at your place. You need to get everything from a solid and knowledgeable dealer that not only sells fireworks, but is known for manufacturing the highest quality and reliable products, and commercially shooting large shows like large festivals and national sporting events. Until all of our resources have transitioned over to the Evolve network, there's only one place that we recommend to everyone who wants to put on a top shelf display and save a lot of money doing it, and that is Queen City Fireworks. Queen City Fireworks, home of the Hammer and Anvil brand of fireworks, will hook you up with the best quality at the best prices, whether you need a consumer-grade private party show or a full-scale commercial-grade display. Click the button to visit their website at queencityfireworks.com for catalog and directions to their showroom, where you will be greeted by the most friendly pyro enthusiasts and knowledgeable staff. All of their products have blueprints clearly labeled on their packaging, and they have QR codes that you can scan with your phone or tablet and get real-time video examples of each product, allowing you to literally put together an entire show, tailored to your budget and theme, right in the aisles. They even have free Wi-Fi for their shoppers. Tell them who sent ya. But first check out a snippet of what someone did in their yard last year, then go get your party ignited.
There's the anvil, he just put one. And the hammer. There's another anvil.
Let's go.
Those two there are the anvils. Here comes the anvils. They about ready to get juicy. Here it comes. That was thunder, baby.
No, that all hit.
That was fucking thunder. Yeah. Yeah! Woo! That was some shit right there.
So much of that hit me in the face.
I'm wearing a bunch
I
of
don't
it.
know if you guys got hit.
Oh yeah.
Yeah!
That's not worth 800, huh?